Hey everybody, it's Emily, the Crazy Worm Lady. I'm here today with a little bit of troubling news, and I'm a little bummed out that I have to come on and share this with you guys, but I always like to be transparent and share with you guys what's going on in my life and what's going on with the worms. But I've been struggling a lot lately with some health issues, and some unforeseen circumstances have just kind of come into my life over the last couple of months and kind of reached a head for me. And I've been running this Cocoon business for a few months now, and I think I'm gonna have to take a little bit of a break, and I apologize deeply for that, and I appreciate everyone's support, everyone's business, and I value each and every one of you, and I'm really sorry that this is the case, but I need to put myself and my health first, and unfortunately that's going to mean taking a little bit of a step back and slowing down a little bit while I get myself back together. But I did want to thank you guys for helping me reach 3,000 subscribers. I am humbled, and I am really appreciative for everything that you guys do for me, watching my videos, giving me those thumbs up and comments. It always brightens my day. And I wanted to encourage any of you who have outstanding orders with me on Cocoons to please check your email. I will be sending an email out in the next day or two to explain what needs to happen and how I can reimburse you or somehow fulfill your order in another way with a supplemental product or with worms. I'm going to make sure I make it right by everyone, and if you need a refund, I'll make sure I take care of that for you. But I did just want to come on and let you guys know that I don't think it's over for good, but it does have to take a little bit of a break right now while I figure everything out. And I just wanted to come on and thank you, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate all your continued support. There will still be videos coming out on all of my hobby bins, but for now, that's probably going to be it for a little while. Hopefully, we can do a celebration stream sometime soon for hitting 3,000 subscribers, but in the meantime, it's just going to be a little bit slow. So I thank you all so much. I know this was kind of a bummer video, but I did want to come on and personally explain what was going on so that all of you know that I still value everything that you guys do for me, and I will do everything in my power to get back up to speed as quickly as possible and make sure that anybody who has outstanding orders, that everything gets taken care of and straightened out. I certainly don't want my reputation to be harmed by what's going on right now, so I assure you everything will be taken care of. Refunds will be given, or like I said, supplemental products. So I will talk to you guys real soon, and I hope you have a really nice evening.